now. Bella loves baby mum-mums. Watch. Watch how excited obviously she gets. Here we go. So here's her piece of cracker I'm giving her. Yum, yum, yum. You're feeding yourself. Show Grandma you feed yourself. Yum.
You show Bella the way.
I'm recording.
Every day, a papuska you. You show Bella the way. Every day.
Oh, you want Mommy to have some? That's all Bella's. We love those mum-mums. We gotta buy some more of those. Bella, say hi. There, say hi, Graham. Love you. Hope you feel better. Hope you feel better. Where are you going? Say hi, Graham. Hi, Grandpa. Miss you guys. Hope to see you soon. We love you. Was that yummy? Was that yummy? Bella. Was that yummy? Okay, so should we wave bye-bye? Wave bye-bye. Love you. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. There's her smile. There's the smile. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, hope you feel better, Mom. We love you. Bye-bye.